It's time now for this week's Chevy Spotlight. The Medina Valley High School Band has a rich tradition of success, and that tradition is built on a 5-letter word, pride.
The core is about pride, which is the preparation, the respect, the integrity, the determination, and the excellence that we try to get the students to get every day. It's a constant evolution of things that we do. We don't expect them to be the greatest at what they do the very first day, but it's just a matter of persistence and getting the kids to enjoy what they're doing while they are working out here in 100-degree heat on asphalt.
That sense of pride is clearly evident among every band member. It's even on the back of their t-shirts. But Fine Arts Director Thomas Galvez says it's more than just a word on the back of a t-shirt.
It has to become something from within, their own inner character that builds from their freshman year as they watch the upperclassmen, and they become the upperclassmen from freshmen to sophomore to juniors. And it's a culture. It's what we try to build here.
Mr. Galvez says he looks to his seniors to help keep the traditions thriving, especially Jeffrey Willing.
He embodies that to one of the highest levels. He's continued to excel as a musician. When he first started 4 years ago in the high school band, he was a novice, but he's become a great example of what to do with his instrument and how to behave as a citizen of the school.
Our performances, we give everything our all, and we stay active in everything we do. In our schoolwork and everything, we're encouraged through band to do all that. And it kind of gives you a place you feel in high school through all the 4 years. You have all these friends, and it's basically a big community together.
Jeffrey is putting everything he has into his senior year to make sure the Panther Band is the best they can be in his final year.
Every year through marching band or concert season, we seek nothing but excellence in our UIL, especially competitions. So we practice every day out here, every 3 hours after school, just going hard, getting better.
If the focus is on pride, then getting better will come easy this season for Medina Valley. Congratulations to Jeffrey Willing and the Panther Band for being this week's Chevy Spotlight.